Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Greg the Vibe Coder. In Lesson 2.1, we built a greeting program, your first Python program. It asked your name, asked how you were feeling, and responded. Today in Lesson 2.2, we're building a game. The computer picks a random number between 1 and 20. You guess. It tells you too high or too low. When you get it right, it tells you how many tries it took. Then you can play again without restarting. That's a proper game. With logic, with loops, with randomness, all from one prompt, same 4 steps. Let's go. Step 1. Copy the prompt. Here it is. Create a Python number guessing game. The computer picks a random number between 1 and 20. The player guesses. After each guess, tell them too high or too low. When they guess correctly, celebrate and tell them how many tries it took. Allow them to play again without restarting the program. I'm copying that now. Step 2. Paste into AI, new chat, paste, enter. There it is. The AI wrote a complete game. Random number generation, a loop that keeps going until you win, a counter tracking your guesses, a play again option at the end. I didn't type a single line. Step 3. Run the code. Idle. File, new file, Ctrl+V to paste. File, save as, guess.py. Press F5 to run. It's asking me to guess a number. I'll try 10. Got it. It's celebrating and telling me how many guesses it took. Now it's asking if I want to play again. Yes. And it picked a completely new random number without restarting the program. Step 4. The vibe tweak. Find the number 20 in your code. That's the top of the range. Change it to 100. Save, press F5. Now the computer picks between 1 and 100, suddenly much harder. You went from an average of 4 to 5 guesses to needing 6 to 7, one number. The entire difficulty of the game changed. Extra credit. Want to go further? Go back to your AI and paste this. Add a difficulty menu to the guessing game. Before the game starts, ask the player to choose easy, 1 to 10, medium, 1 to 50, or hard, 1 to 100. Set the range based on their choice. Copy it from the lesson page, buttons right there. What you get, a menu before the game starts. Choose easy, medium, or hard. The range changes automatically based on what you pick. That's conditional logic, one of the most important concepts in programming. If they choose easy, do this. If they choose hard, do that. You just used it without writing it yourself. Before we finish, think about this. How many guesses did it take you to win? Can you find the line in the code that picks the random number? What does the word random tell you about what that line does? Look for randint, that's short for random integer. The AI used a Python module called random, a built-in tool that generates unpredictable numbers. You described random number in plain English, and the AI knew exactly which Python tool to use. That's the pattern. Every time you describe something clearly, the AI knows which programming concept to reach for. That's lesson 2.2 done. Next up is lesson 2.3, Cave Adventure. You wake up in a dark cave, you see 3 tunnels, left, right, or straight ahead. Your choices determine if you find treasure or wake a dragon. It's a text adventure, built from one prompt. Links to everything are below. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you in lesson 2.3.